Hey there, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Book Go 5G, a sleek and powerful laptop with a long-lasting battery running Windows 11. Plus, with T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network, you'll be able to connect while you're on the go. Let's check it out. The Galaxy Book Go 5G is powerful, yet quiet. Its Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2 processor delivers instant-on performance with no fan required. And with T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network, you'll be able to connect to a video call or stream your favorite shows on its large 14-inch Full HD display. With the Galaxy Book Go 5G, you'll stay powered for hours. It has a long-lasting battery that gives you up to 18 hours of usage per charge. The Book Go 5G has a sleek and shockproof design. It's slim and lightweight and features a convenient 180-degree hinge. The Book Go 5G works seamlessly with the Galaxy ecosystem. Pair your devices and easily jump from your work life to your personal life. Plus, you can easily share files between the two with Quick Share. The Galaxy Book Go runs on Windows 11 with a new feel and tools such as Microsoft Teams and widgets to help you stay connected and organized. The Book Go 5G has 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and even has a microSD card slot. Now in the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy Book Go 5G, USB-C charging cable, and a power adapter. The new Samsung Galaxy Book Go 5G is ready for the workday. Great performance, long-lasting battery, and 5G connectivity thanks to T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.